Hello everybody, today I will show you how to fix Fortnite split screen not working problem. If you find this presentation helpful, please consider subscribing and liking. Method 1. Check for updates. Make sure that both your game and console are up to date with the latest version. If there is an update available, download and install it before proceeding. Method 2. Restart your console. Try restarting your console. Turn off your console completely and unplug it from the power source. Wait for a few minutes and plug it back in. Then turn on your console and launch Fortnite again to see if split screen is working. Method 3. Check your display settings. Ensure that your display settings are set up correctly for split screen mode. Go to your console setting and check that the display settings are set to split screen mode. If not, change the settings to enable split screen mode. Method 4. Check your controllers. Ensure that both controllers are properly connected and synced to your console. If one of the controller is not working, try reconnecting it or replacing the batteries. Method 5. Clear your cache. Clearing your cache can help fix split screen issue in Fortnite. Go to your console setting, find the option to clear the cache, follow the instruction to clear the cache and then launch Fortnite again. Method 6. Change matchmaking region. Try changing the matchmaking region. Sometimes the current region you are trying to matchmake in could be having problems. Change to a different region and try again. Method 7. Contact support. If none of the above solution work, contact Fortnite support for further assistance. They may be able to provide additional troubleshooting steps or escalate the issue to their development team. I have provided the link in the description so you can contact from there. Thanks for watching.